How to get $50 Uber promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Uber promo codes and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you promo codes. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, CNN. After you open it, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. You can see that $20 off, $15 off, and many more. You can just scroll and check. If you're interested in any of the deal, you can click on it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, just click on it. So here's the code, you can copy it. Now head towards the website of Uber. Book your ride, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. Also, you can go through these websites, as this website will also provide you working promo codes for Uber. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can get up to $50 Uber promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.